Altruistic. Selflessly concerned about others' well-being. Example: helping the homeless shows an altruistic nature. Belligerent. Hostile and aggressive. Example: he became belligerent after losing the argument. Aloof. Not friendly or distant. Example: she stayed aloof at the party, sitting in a corner. Egotistical. Excessively self-centered or selfish. Example: his egotistical attitude made it hard to work with him. Empathetic. Understanding and sharing others' feelings. Example: she was empathetic, listening carefully to her friend's problems. Gregarious. Fond of being around people, sociable. Example: he's so gregarious, he makes friends everywhere he goes. Meticulous. Paying great attention to detail. Example: her meticulous planning ensured the event went perfectly. Vindictive. Having or showing a desire for revenge. Example: his vindictive actions caused more harm than good. Charismatic. Having a compelling charm that inspires devotion in others. Example: the charismatic leader won the hearts of his audience. Equanimous. Calm and composed, especially in difficult situations. Example: despite the chaos, she remained equanimous and handled everything with grace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.